everyone, thank you for joining, and in today's video we'll be doing a dread maintenance. I'll be working on this beautiful lady's dread to help her get it all cleaned up and looking very sharp. So all what we need for this project is the crochet hook. That's the main instrument. But here I'm spraying her hair with the Jamaican refresher spray, and I'll be using the Jamaican dreadlock gel to just hold the base of her dreads, like hold the roots. So I really want to apologize for the angle right here. I did not realize that I wasn't zooming in, but shortly you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing, which is quite easy. All you have to do is to take your crochet hook right under the hair, okay, and then you go in a 90-degree and 180-degree movement. I hope I'm making sense. And so just that's all you have to do, 90-degree and 180-degree, so that way you are creating a kind of cross. So here I'm a little bit zoomed in, and so you go 90-degree, okay, 180-degree. So as you're doing that, you're not creating a kind of straight line dread, you are creating an interlocked dread, which is perfect. Like, that's instant dread. She can take a shower right after now. Yeah, I mean it, she can. And it's going to get her dread all tight and clean. Once I'm done with that, I will use my tiny crochet hook to tighten the dreads by pulling in the frizz, the flyaways. And once you do that, the dread is going to be perfect, neat, and clean. So that's all I have to keep repeating throughout the duration of this video. Please enjoy. I need to mention that I use the normal crochet hook. This is the normal one, the big one, and then I use the 0.7 mm crochet hook. I'll put a link in the description below for you to get all these tools in case you're interested, and also for the products I used. But let me put it out there that you can actually relock a dread without using any product. Yeah, it's possible. So it's just my client's preference, okay? And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I have more beautiful, interesting videos coming. And please just click on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I release a video, which is most likely to be every Friday. Thank you so much for being a part of this, for watching. I really do appreciate you, and please enjoy.